What if the first step in your skincare routine could do more than just clean? What if it could actively repair and defend your skin? Meet the Ella Pure Peptide Cleanser. This revolutionary formula works in 3 synergistic phases during a 60-second wash. Gentle surfactants purify without stripping, signal peptides activate cellular repair, and potent botanicals provide an antioxidant shield. At its core is Matrixyl 3000, a clinically proven peptide complex that penetrates rapidly to stimulate collagen production by over 100% while actively reducing the inflammation that causes aging. The result is a symphony of benefits. It purifies, calms redness, firms the skin, and balances your microbiome, creating the perfect canvas to enhance the rest of your skincare routine. Stop washing away your skin's potential. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description to start your anti-aging transformation today.